In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to WPS Office in mobile. If you want to access your documents, spreadsheets, or presentations on your phone, signing in to WPS Office is the first step. Whether you are returning to the app or using it for the first time, the process is straightforward and quick. To start, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. If you already have the app installed and were previously logged out, your existing files will still be visible when you open the app. This means you can continue working without losing any of your documents. Once the app is open, look for the account icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the Sign In options. You will see several ways to log in. You can choose to sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or by entering your email and password manually. Select the method that is most convenient for you. If you are entering your credentials manually, carefully type your email and password in the provided fields. Make sure there are no typos, as even small mistakes can prevent you from logging in. After entering the required information, tap the Sign In or Continue button to proceed. The app will verify your credentials and log you into your account. For users opening WPS Office on mobile for the very first time, the app will automatically direct you to the sign-in interface. From there, you can choose your preferred method of signing in. Follow the on-screen instructions, complete the necessary steps, and you will be granted access to the app immediately. After successfully signing in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of your WPS app. Also, your account will be fully accessible. You can view, edit, and create new documents, and all your changes will be saved to your account. Signing in also ensures that your files are synchronized across devices, so you can access them from your computer or other mobile devices at any time. Taking a few extra moments to ensure your login information is correct will save you from unnecessary errors. Once logged in, you're ready to make the most of all the features WPS Office Mobile has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.